Hi guys, today's video is going to be a tutorial on how to make slime easily for beginners, and I really hope you find it helpful. First of all, you will need a slime activator. I recommend using 1 teaspoon of borax to 2 cups of warm water, and then mix it thoroughly. When you add it to the glue, it will help it stick together, and this will make the slime. After we have made this mixture, we will go ahead and choose our favorite glue. Slime glue is a glue that can be any brand, and you can use any glue that contains polyvinyl alcohol. After we have chosen our glue, we can move on to the activator and start adding it very slowly. It is important to add it slowly while stirring, because the solution can very easily become rubbery. So once it starts to pull away from the bowl like this, you need to take it in your hands and start playing with it. This will help the slime to gather a little and get rid of the lumps and make it less sticky. This was the basic slime recipe, but there are a few ingredients you can add to your slime to make it a little bigger and also more fun to play with. One of the most common slime mixes is slime and shaving foam. You want to add it after you've added the glue and shaving foam 1 to 1, just to make it super fluffy, and also mix it with a spatula so I can scrape all the product off the sides and mix it all really thoroughly, because the shaving foam along with the activator reacts more quickly than regular glue, so I only need a little bit. Add it really slowly. When the slime starts to come off the edge of the bowl, you just want to start playing with it with your fingers, just to help get all the lumps out and make it less stringy, and you'll be left with a really fluffy big product. It's one of the best slimes to play with because it's so stretchy and it's so fun and really cheap to make. Another popular slime combination is glue, shaving foam, and also cornstarch. Like the previous recipe, I like to add about as much glue as I use for shaving foam, and then I like to add 2 heaping tablespoons of cornstarch. After I've got that in the bowl, I mix it all up. This takes me about 3 to 5 minutes. Then you want to start adding your activator very slowly, and this activates so quickly because there are so many ingredients other than the glue, so you don't need to add much. And I found it was really hard to mix because it was so thick, so no shame in just kneading it with your hands and starting adding the activator. In this way, it takes a while to kind of get all the lumps out because it's so thick. But mix it up, but when it comes out, it's so fluffy and fun to play with. I always find that it holds its shape much better than when I just add shaving foam. This is why I like this mixture the most. I mixed all my slimes together, and as you can see, it creates a really nice texture, and it's much nicer than just having glue and activator. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if you didn't, forget to like it